So the next is security and privacy. No, the next is in tools and settings. For tools and settings, let's click on verify Bingbot. What do you need this for? Sometimes you get some IPs in your server claiming to be being bought. So you want to verify, you have to copy the IP, place them here, then click on verify. Once you verify and notice that those IPs are not being bought, you have to block them. You get a web developer to help you block them from crawling your website. So those might be hackers and those might be bad for your website. So thank you for watching. You can always do this, copy the IP, put it here. You can go to a website where you can read more about this. I believe you find this in uh, Bing Webmaster Tools helps. You might find it there or answer a question. So I'll Google it online to read about it so you understand better. Bye.